What's good, YouTube? Mike Raw checking in with y'all for another nutrition video. In this one, I'm gonna show y'all how to lean out some not so lean beef. So if you got 80% lean, 20% fat beef, or 73% lean beef, and you want to lean that out a little bit, this video will help you out. So you want to go ahead and cook your beef however you choose. I started with a not thawed out block of beef, so I had to boil it down a little bit. So here I got the cooked beef here. Then you want to go ahead and put it in a strainer, put it in your sink, let some of the fat drain out that way. Then you want to heat up your water faucet. You don't want to use boiling water for what I'm about to show you. You want to just use the hottest water that your sink can heat to. And all you want to do is run the water over the beef. So you want to rinse it. I went ahead and put on my whatever the thing in the sink is that breaks down the compost thing in the sink that breaks down stuff. I went and turned that on to help keep my plumbing cleared of the fat. Rinse it out, shake out the water, rinse it out again, shake out the water again, and then rinse it a third time. And by then you should have gotten most of the fat, but you just want to make sure that the pores on your strainer aren't getting clogged up. Then you want to go ahead and get a pan, lay out 3 plies of paper towel or so, more or less depending on how much beef you have. If you got a big pack of beef like I was using, I used 3 plies of paper towel. Do the same thing on top, pat it down, go ahead and get some of that water out. This is gonna make the beef really dry actually. So you wanna go ahead and add some water back to the original pot that you used to help rehydrate it, because we're gonna go ahead and put this back on the stove before we season it and add whatever we're gonna add to it. So I just throw a little bit of water in there and then put the beef back in the pot. And at this point, you can just go ahead and stir that in. And if you wanna do the tacos with this, you can just add your taco seasoning, whatever seasoning you want, if you want it to be more of a dry ground beef. But I went ahead and did pasta sauce because I like my pasta sauce. Added some tomatoes in there once again. Get some extra veggies in, 2 cans of tomatoes. Good stuff, always trying to get those micronutrients in. Went ahead and flashed up the can once again. Nothing too complicated. And I went ahead and topped this on top of a combination of rice and black-eyed peas. Mostly black-eyed peas, but some rice in there. Brown rice to get my fiber in. And this is the combination you can see all mixed up here. I went ahead and used the brown rice this time instead of the pasta, so I can mix the beans in there and to cut back on my gluten intake a little bit, just because it's overall healthier and it's hard to digest that stuff. Peace.